All right, so today's the day we're finally gonna get the E36 done. I don't care how long it takes, how long we have to stay here tonight. I'm getting this shit done, even if I have to do it myself. But yeah, I think all we have left to do now is just reattach everything, torque everything down, and then reroute the parking brake cable, I think. And then I think we should be good to drop it on the ground and get rolling. All right, so we have everything in and torqued down. The last things we need to do, we just need to fill up the diff. Woo, it's squirting at me.
Oh shit,
It's squirting straight on the side at me.
Kellen's
filling up the diff with fluid. And then after that, I think we just need to pop the wheels on and we're good to go. Oh no, we also need to put on the rear part of the exhaust.
You blew it.
Yeah, dude, this thing's just squirting.
Just check it out.
Yeah, so we gotta just fill up the diff fluid and put the exhaust on, put the wheels on, and then I think we're good to go.
Shit, give me a pair of pliers. The fucking tube fell in the fucking shit.
Wait, you dropped the tube in there?
The tip is right here.
Oh, okay, don't let that.
The tube fell off.
Oh yeah, it's just sitting there.
Oh, dude. Extraction.
Oh my god. Alright. Hopefully we can get this done pretty quick. Alright, so we got the exhaust back on, we got the diff all filled up. Now all that's left to do is put the wheels on and drop her, and then we'll be ready to take her for her first drive with the new setup. I wasn't able to get the torque wrench up to the fill plug, so I ended up having to bash in this area a little bit so I could get access to it. Not too much of an issue though. It's just where the tire goes into the rear. You can see in the back there a little bit. I just had to bang it in. Nothing too major. All right, moment of truth.
Fucking frame.
So I haven't been able to take the BMW out for its maiden voyage yet because we've been working on Gabes Exhaust. This janky ass thing, it's hitting the cradle for the diff, and we're kind of just jacking it up in the rear and trying to get her in place. Oh my god, these tips. What do you think of Gabe's tips, Kellen?
What? They're fire.
Are they fire?
They're fire.
I mean, I think they'd look more fire if we blasted the tips and made them like the pretty like rainbow color.
That's facts. I mean, they look like mine, just single.
And little crooked. I mean, hey, it's kind of cute. With the little corgi sticker up above it. I fuck with it. Let's just admire this Cressida though for a second. That thing is so low.
Oh, I fucked up.
What?
Look at this shit.
Look at what shit? Bruh. Why do you have such a long extension?
You don't understand when you do a transmission.
Wait, but what are you doing with the transmission?
Nothing.
Wait.
He's using it just for his headers. Bug's too long.
This man's struggling.
Get a smaller mechanic. Professional mechanics. Trust us with your cars and you'll be fine.
We see oh yeah, you can see the welds from under here. Look at those little tumors. Those things are beautiful.
Oh.
I helped with those. I did a little bit of welding.
You're not even in frame, and it zoomed in on your chin.
Oh shit, you're probably right. Oh, good stuff, dude. I'm a professional vlogger. I don't know what you're talking about.
God. Oh,
Quality content.
How
about this Porsche though? Oh, that's a nice shot.
Don't snap.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I don't think I've shown you guys the Fiat yet.
No. It's just this one because one of my
That's my daily.
I had to hammer it out.
Maybe I'll do a little video about that car one day.
Alright, come.
There's Kellen's Beamer. That thing's clean as shit, but it's loud.
Can you grab a wrench and a saw?
Hey, he's got her mounted up now.
Kind of.
Oh yeah, she's super stiff. She only has like half the mounts on right now, but I mean, it'll get.
Look at that
it'll
heat
work.
shield job.
Where?
The heat shield job. Right here in the middle.
You literally just wrapped it around the exhaust.
Like, bruh.
Are we dropping her?
Yep.
Woo! Oh, this is exciting.
Finally, 2 cars done in the same day.
Yeah, right?
About the same amount of time.
Right? And he had an exhaust. I had an entire subframe refresh.
Yep.
It's okay though. You spent most of your time working on my car, to be fair. Nah, I'm excited to hear that sounds though.
Like, oh my god.
Nah, those are... That's unique right there. That's unique. It adds character. All right. First start. I mean... It sounds quieter almost. Give her a couple braps. You love the cold revs, man.
Gotta love them.
All right, now that Gabe's car is out of the way, we can finally get to this boy. This bad boy. All right, so we're gonna just take her for a short little drive to give her a little like shakedown. We'll go somewhere real quick, try and pop a couple skids, see what happens. Hopefully we don't break anything. I just don't want to go too far when we go to do this because just in case something does break, I want to be able to make it back. Oh, this is the first time you've got to feel the coilovers.
Yeah.
A little bouncy.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's better than when I first had them.
Yeah. All right, we're just gonna do a quick pull, see if everything in the rear holds together. Yeah. Held together just fine. I mean, I'd say going straight, it feels just about the same right now. I don't know, I don't notice too huge of a difference. Oh, actually, okay, so steering the car around it feels a lot more like it pivots around the rear, you know? At least when I'm going straight. It's weird. That's a weird sensation. That's different. Bet. Yeah, hop out real quick. Oh my god, dude, that was fucking nuts. That felt amazing. It feels so much better with the welded diff. It's so much easier to drift. That's nuts. I am like shaking right now. That's so fun. It held together. Everything held together like it was nothing.
That's amazing.
Bet. All right, you can go hop in with Kellen, or we can go to Panda now. Panda. Bet. Guys, I am so fucking excited. I'm literally shaking right now. That was too much fun. All right, now it's time to get some food. Let's go. All right, we're back from getting Panda. This thing absolutely fucking shreds. I couldn't be happier. And like, this is only the beginning. It's only gonna get better from here. Like, I don't know. I'm just beyond, like, I'm just speechless right now. I don't know what to say. All right, so we're following Marco, Gabe's stepbrother, out to Mexico. He's gonna show us some spots so we can do a proper little shakedown on the BMW. So just like in the last few minutes of driving, I can already like feel how much more planted the car feels. Like I feel like I can tell a lot more what's going on with the car compared to what's before. Like everything just feels a lot stiffer. I'm really excited to see how this does over in Mexico. So one thing that I am still noticing though that I really want to try and track down and fix next is whenever I get off throttle, there's like a clunk. It sounds like it's coming from the front, but I'm not totally sure. I think I want to look at some of the transmission mounts, maybe the motor mounts, see if any of them are shot. But yeah, that'll probably be one of the next things I'll fix on this car or upgrade. Probably put in some new transmission mounts, maybe engine mounts. I don't know. We'll see what's shot and then we'll go from there. All right, we just made it to Mexico. Let's get ripping. Yeah, just kind of keep your eyes out, I guess. Yeah.
Fuck yeah! Let's go! Fuck yeah, JV! Let's go! Let's go!
Huh? Burnout?
No, don't waste your tires. No, don't waste your tires. Just drift. Let's go! Let's go! Fuck yeah!
Fucking coyotes over there.
Woo!
No, I didn't feel that one. Woo! Bro. I don't know how well you can see me right now. That was so much fucking fun. Oh my. We're out of here. All right, so I was talking to everyone about this earlier, but one thing that I knew was gonna happen, I have a simulation rig at home that I use to drift on it. I kind of learned on it a little bit, right? But I didn't have an e-brake for the setup, so what I would do is I would use the brake pedal as an e-brake. So what I was doing back in the lot, I would, whenever I wanted to get more angle out of the car, I kept trying to press the foot brake, and it just doesn't work. So I think I'm really gonna have to get like some sort of better e-brake, maybe tighten up the cables really well, or like I might have to get a hydro e-brake sooner than I expected. I don't know. Oh, but that was so much fun. I couldn't be happier with this car, honestly. This is amazing.
As Jamie's friend, I'm so impressed. This is wow. This is the first time drifting. Oh my gosh. I'm like shaking, dude. I'm so happy for you, dude. I'm so happy.
All right, guys. I have the E36 back home. I can't even begin to describe how excited I am for this car. Everything just came together so perfectly, and we didn't break anything. That was the biggest thing. I was so worried I was gonna break something tonight. I thought, I don't know, maybe that we didn't weld the diff good enough, or maybe we forgot to torque something down, but no, nothing broke. So I'd say that's a big success. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. I hope y'all are excited for what's to come with this car, because I know I am. I can't wait to keep going with this car. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.